Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I just made a video about how to put these colors and color swats and the name of the color and the value of the color. And somebody questioned, I said you could print it out in paper, and they're a laser engraver, and they did not quite understand how you could print this out in paper. Well, if your laser bed is whatever size, mine is 40 by 28. Well, normal copy paper is 8.5 by 11. So there's your new page, and you can use your same printer to print out on paper. So I would just take a selected amount of colors, Control G, and to group them together, and hit P and put them in the center of the page. Now, doing it this way, the colors are not in order because they're going left to right. But once you get that one printed, and you could actually start a new page. And let's go back here and Control C and make a duplicate of that, a copy of that. Go to the new page and paste it. So there's the colors that you have left because you've taken away the first ones. And then on your second page, I would just grab them, Control G, group them, hit P, put them in the center of the page. So now you've got two pages, and just do that for each page. And then when you print that out, the swats will be pretty big because this is 8.5, so you've got 12 on there. You could definitely read them. And when you go to print, just tell it you want it to be your HP printer, and it'll print it out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.